Whoa, this box is bigger than I expected. Today, we're unboxing the Ninja DoubleStack Air Fryer. It's an 8-quart, 2-basket air fryer for families. First impression. The stacked design looks seriously space-smart. It feels like 2 air fryers in one footprint. Perfect if your kitchen counter is already crowded. Let me pull out everything included inside. You get 2 baskets, crisper plates, and meal racks. The build looks sturdy, clean, and very practical. Now the big question, how much can it cook? Apparently, up to 4 foods at once. That's huge for weeknight dinners and meal prep. Each basket holds about 4 quarts of food. So yes, it can handle serious family portions. I really like the stacked meal rack system. It lets you cook 2 levels inside one basket. That means more food without taking more space. The airflow setup should keep everything crisp and even. That matters when you want wings, veggies, and fries. The Smart Finish feature is honestly a lifesaver. 2 different foods can finish cooking at the same time. Match Cook also makes bigger meals way easier. Just copy settings across both baskets instantly. It also has 6 cooking functions built in: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. So this is definitely more versatile than basic models. Cleanup looks painless, which I always appreciate. The baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe. If you want family meals in less space, consider this. Honestly, it's a strong pick for small kitchens and prep. I'd recommend it if you cook often for several people. If that sounds like you, this one's worth checking out.